Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Reels not working. So if Facebook Reels aren't working, don't worry. So whether Reels won't load, won't play, keep buffering, or are not showing up at all, there are several ways to fix the problem. So to start, go to your settings, then check your internet connection. So click Wi-Fi. So you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Then you can test your connection by opening another app or website. Next is to update the Facebook app. So open your App Store. Then in here, search for Facebook. So open it, and if you see an update button, just click on that to update Facebook app. Once updated, open it again and see if that works. Next is to restart your phone. So a simple restart can resolve temporary software issues affecting Facebook. Next is to reinstall Facebook. So if nothing else works, you can uninstall the Facebook app. So look for Facebook app icon, then press and hold it, then click remove app, then click delete app to confirm the action. Once deleted, you can go ahead to App Store, then search for Facebook and install it again. So once installed, sign back into your account and see if that solves the issue. And that's it. Thank you for watching.